you preparing for UGC NET Library Science? Today we are solving 2013 PYQ with full explanation and techniques. Okay, don't skip. These questions are repeated concepts in exams. Okay, welcome to Jaladi Academy. In this video, we will explain each question with concept and current answer and why other options are wrong. So let's start. First question is the distinct characteristics of digital objects are physical medium, logical process, and conceptual recognition and transaction. What is the correct answer? See, all the above. See, physical medium is for storage. Okay. Then logical is software processing. Then conceptual, it is user understanding. So that's why all the options are correct. Okay, now answer is all the above. All the above is correct answer. Next is second question. Who's Who in India? An irregular publication is published by. See, let's see one option only. See, Business Press Bombay. This is for not known for this title at all. Okay, then Sterling New Delhi. This is published by Who's Who in India. Okay, then Tradesman and Men Asia Delhi. See, this topic is unrelated to this question. Then Sahitya Samsad at Calcutta. This is literary works not for reference directory. So now answer is B. Sterling New India. This is the correct answer. Okay. Then move to next question. Which department of the Government of India deals with public libraries? We'll see one by one option. Archaeology is for Department of Archaeology is for monuments, not for libraries. Then Department of Primary Education is for only school, not for public libraries. Department of Science and Technology, it is focus on research. Okay, then one option is left out, that is Department of Culture. See, Department of Culture is the Government of India deals with public libraries. Okay, then move to next question. Information on Prime Minister of Bangladesh can be found in. We'll see one by one option. First option, international Who's Who. This is for individual, not country data. Okay, international Who's is, it is an individual, not about country's data. Then Who's Who in Bangladesh, that is not standard exam answer. Okay. Then current biography, it is for personal life details only. Okay, then statements yearbook. This is the correct answer, which provides country-wise and political information. Here asked Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Okay, so statements yearbook provides country-wise political information. Correct answer is statements yearbook. Then next question. Eradication of malaria in India 1992-99. Okay, a report can be categorized under which report? See, we'll see one by one option. See, first we'll see down. Research report is for what? See, original study. It is not for timeline research. Okay, state of the art report is for latest development only. Okay, means current developments. Then review report is for summaries of literature. Okay, then trend report. Trend report is for it shows data over a period. Okay, maybe not only 1992-1999. It shows over the period of a time. Okay, the correct answer is trend report. Correct answer is trend report. Okay, then move to sixth question. See, which is not a reprographic services. Okay, which is not. Read the question properly. Here mentioned not. Okay, they are asking not reprographic service. See, microcopying is reprographic service, blueprinting also. Then thermocopying is also reprographic service. Only left out is C, paper printing. Paper printing is copying. Okay, paper printing is copying. We are not, paper printing will not provide reprographic services. Okay, see, printing is not equal to copying. Okay, so answer is paper printing. Okay, that is not the reprographic service. Then seventh question. Eric sponsored by. Who sponsored the Eric? Okay, we'll see one by one option. See, US National Health Institute, Health and Rehabilitation Services Division ALA, Department of Health Education and Welfare, Government of USA, Health Science Information Center. Okay, see, Health Science Center is unrelated to this one, and US, see, National Health Institute, which focus on medical focus. Then this is not a education only. The correct answer is Department of Health Education and Welfare, Government of USA. ERIC is sponsored by Department of Health Education and Welfare, Government of USA. Okay, correct answer is C option. Okay. See, ERIC is education based system focused by US government. Next, move to next question. METS standards for. Okay, standard form of METS. See, machine encoded transmission system. You are asking METS. Okay. Machine encoded transmission system. No, wrong. Then metadata encoded for textual sources. No. Then machine encoded textual standard. No, wrong answer. Metadata encoding transmission standard. This is right answer. Metadata encoding transmission standard. Option D is the right answer. Then move to next question. See, sector device is an extension of. See, group notation, it is for different usage. Okay. Then Activa device, it is totally unrelated to this topic. Then empty device. Empty device is for different concept, not for sector device. So only one left out option is gap device. See, sector device extends the gap device in colon classification. Okay. See, answer A is right answer. Next is control disease malaria brain indicates that it is what it is. Okay. See, raw title is for original form. Then expressive title is for full sentences. Here no full sentences. Okay. Then kernel, it is for idea only. Okay. See, transform title. See, what is transform title? See, these options are wrong. Okay. The transform title, it's words rearranged and structure form. So, this title indicates the transform title, control disease malaria brain. That is words rearranged. Okay. So, correct answer is transform title. Option D. Okay, clear? Next, move to 12th question. A graphical representation using symbols to represent operations, data flow, etc. is. Okay. See, we'll see from options D. Okay. See, network chart. What is network chart? It is a project scheduling. So this option is wrong. Then C, system flow chart. It is specific subtypes. So this option is also wrong. Then flowchart. In flowchart, we'll use symbols and also arrows to show the process. Okay. Then logical chart. It is not the standard form. Okay. Now what is right answer? Flowchart is right answer. It shows the graphical representation using symbols to represent operations, data flow, etc. Okay. Then 13 question. See, the 12 rules are relational database were given by. See, we'll see option wise. Tim Berners-Lee invented www dot, okay, website. Then James Webb is not related anything. Okay. Then Charles Babbage, is father of computer. He is computer pioneer. Okay. Then E.F. Cord is father of relational database. So he given the 12 rules for relational database. Okay. So correct answer is A. Then we'll move to next question. See, a technique at displaying graphic information on screen pixel by pixel with bits held in main memory is. We'll see one by one. Bit handling. Bit handling means it is a VIOG. Okay, this is not the correct answer. Bit mapping. It stores image pixel by pixel. Okay, here question is pixel by pixel with bits. Okay, then bit pattern. It's not displays method. Bit pattern is not the display method. Then bit matrix. It is not the standard term related to this topic. So now answer is bit mapping. Correct answer is bit mapping. It is a technique displaying graphic information on screen pixel by pixel with bits held in main memory. Okay, is it clear? Then Zetero is a. This is most repeated question. Zetero is a. So we will see one by one option. That is content management system. No. Reference management system. See, content management system is a website management. Okay. Reference management system, that is general reference. This is general only. That is incomplete. Serial management system, that is related to general only. Okay. Then bibliographic reference management system. Yes. It provides bibliographic reference management systems. Means Zetero manages citations and also references. Correct answer is D. Correct answer is D. It manages citations and also references. Okay. Then 16th question. A network in which the host computer controls different nodes which further control other nodes is known as star, ring, hierarchical, multi-point. We'll see one by one. See, star network is single center. Ring is circular, which will not connect different nodes. Okay. Then multi-point is shared connection. Then hierarchical network. It is a talk to subnodes and to structure. Okay. So what is hierarchical network? A network in which the host computer controls different nodes which further control other nodes. Okay, is known as hierarchical network. Correct option is C. Correct option is C. Then next question. Impact factor is devised by. Impact factor is devised by Eugene Garfield. Okay, correct answer is Eugene Garfield. 18th question. A skillful method of providing means, mechanism and structural elements to streamline organizational work is known as. Okay, understand the question thoroughly. A skillful method of providing means, mechanism and structural elements to streamline organizational work is known as role analysis, strategic planning, work culture, autonomous planning. Okay. See, strategic means we are planning. Okay, this is not the correct option. Work culture, that is related environment. It depends on environment. Autonomous, it is independent. See, now is only option is role analysis. Okay. A skillful method of providing means, mechanism and structural elements to streamline organizational work is known as role analysis. Correct answer is role analysis. Option A. Okay. Next is 19th. See, a financial allocation made to a library for purchase of furniture and equipment usually comes under the budget head. Understand the question carefully. See, financial allocation made to library for purchase of furniture and equipments usually comes under the budget end. Recurring grant, endowments, non-recurring grant and annual grant. So we'll see one by one option. See, recurring grant means it's repeated expenses. Okay. Then endowments, its relation to donations. Annual, it is general term. See, non-recurring grant is correct answer because we will not purchase the under the recurring grant. We will purchase non-recurring grant. Okay. Next question is 20 question. Historical or government records related to an organization are maintained in archives, museums, repositories, government libraries. See, now this question, I am not going to tell the answer. Yeah, you have to comment the correct answer and listen carefully. Whoever gives the correct answer, I will mention your name in the next video. So pause the video, think carefully and comment your answer now only in comment box. Let's see who gets it right. Okay. This part 2 will come tomorrow. So I will mention your name in part 2 video. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Jaladi Academy for more videos and also for part 2 coming soon. Thank you so much. For 20th question, answer, you answer the comment box.